The Larson Electronics Power Distribution Substation converts 3-phase 480-volt AC delta electrical current into 3-phase 208Y or 120-volt AC Wye. This unit provides operators the ability to safely tap into and distribute 480-volt AC power from a variety of sources, including generators and direct grid power. On the primary side, operators connect 480 volt using a customer-provided cord. On the secondary side, operators may access a secondary panel with circuit breakers. A customer-provided cord brings 3-phase 480 volt power to the primary side, which is protected by an 800 amp 3-pole molded case circuit breaker and passes power to the transformer. The NEMA 3R rated transformer converts 480 volt to 3-phase 208Y or 120 volt AC at 60 Hz and passes the current to the secondary side. The secondary side of the transformer is equipped with a NEMA 3R rated 250 amp 3-phase MCCB panel. This unit is designed for serious use and is ruggedly constructed to withstand demanding conditions and heavy-duty industrial applications. The transformer and load assembly are mounted to a 3/16-inch thick carbon steel mounting platform. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.